Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 21st of February 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the government of Estonia has decided to cancel up to 2.6 billion euros of state funding for the construction of offshore wind farms. The Ministry for Climate will continue to analyze the possibilities for development. The unexpected decision means that by April, Estonia will lose its state aid permit for offshore wind support, meaning no offshore wind farms will be built under this approval. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese has announced a further $500 million for the Future Made in Australia Fund, this time to drive new jobs in clean energy manufacturing. The package was designed to support communities across the country that, quote, grow and thrive around steelmaking and aluminium processing industries. He described the industries as, quote, vital to both Australia's economic and national security and said the project would start with wind tower fabrication. The Netherlands has set an ambitious offshore wind goal of 75% of electricity by 2032, expected to come from North Sea wind farms. Currently, the Netherlands operates 4.5 gigawatts of offshore wind capacity and aims for 21 gigawatts by 2032. Although the new cabinet has a different political stance, the offshore wind roadmap established by the previous government remains a key energy goal. On Friday, the UK government set out proposals to reform the Contracts for Difference scheme, its main mechanism for supporting renewables in a bid to secure more clean power by 2030. The reforms include relaxing the eligibility criteria on planning consent for fixed-bottom offshore wind and increasing the CFD contract term beyond the current 15 years. The government will consult on the proposed changes for 4 weeks until March 25th. It plans to announce its response ahead of the CFD allocation round 7. The government of Spain is working towards the goal of holding the first offshore wind auction this year. Minister for the Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge, Sarah Jason, has stated that work is already underway to ensure that the first offshore wind auction takes place this year. An order for the ports will be issued first, followed by a resolution with the aim of the auction for offshore wind leases to take place before the end of 2025. Ariane Group, building on its experience in handling liquid hydrogen for the Ariane launchers, is launching the European project NAVHYS. The project, supported by the Clean Hydrogen Partnership and co-financed by the European Union, aims to develop innovative solutions for the storage and use of liquid hydrogen as an energy source for maritime transport. In particular, they intend to use offshore wind farms to produce hydrogen, which could then be used to refuel service operation vessels. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.